So what is Cambridge IGCSE? It's a 2-year program meant for students studying in grades 9 and 10, offered by Cambridge Assessment International Education, a part of the University of Cambridge and the world's leading provider of international qualifications for 5 to 19-year-olds. This assessment body is more than 150 years old, and its core strength lies in designing curriculum and assessment. More than 500 schools in India and over 10,000 schools worldwide in over 160 countries follow the Cambridge International curriculum, and most of them offer the Cambridge IGCSE program as well. With Cambridge IGCSE, we offer more than 70 subjects for students to choose from, giving them unparalleled flexibility and choice. So how is Cambridge IGCSE different from the CBSE curriculum in grades 9 and 10? While CBSE focuses a lot on retention of knowledge, the Cambridge IGCSE program tries to ensure that children don't just pick up knowledge, but also key transferable skills like critical thinking, problem solving, independent research, and creativity. We want students to become lifelong learners, and over the course of 2 years, we want them to develop the 5 Cambridge learner attributes. We want them to be confident, innovative, engaged, responsible, and reflective. We offer more than 70 subject options in these 2 years for students to choose from, which gives them unparalleled flexibility, and it allows them to choose subjects in combinations as per their interests and inclinations. A student who wants to specialize can take up the pure sciences, they can take up additional or international mathematics in addition to regular mathematics, and they can also pick up commerce related subjects such as business studies, accounting, and economics. They can also specialize in humanities right from grade 9 if they wish to, with subjects like history and geography. Apart from that, if a child wants a more well-rounded selection of subjects, they can opt for subjects from different subject groups and also apply for the Cambridge ICE certificate, which is an additional award recognized worldwide. So how does Cambridge IGCSE help students while applying to universities? Cambridge IGCSE is widely recognized by universities and employers around the world in more than 195 countries, including the US, UK, Australia, Canada, Germany, the Netherlands, and Singapore, which tend to be the most popular destination countries for undergraduate students worldwide. The Cambridge IGCSE program is recognized by more than 650 universities in the US, including all Ivy League universities and all universities in the UK, including the universities of Oxford, Cambridge, and all Russell Group institutions. Are Cambridge qualifications accepted by Indian universities? Yes. The Association of Indian Universities, or AIU, has granted equivalence to Cambridge qualifications in grades 10 and 12, which means that our Cambridge IGCSE qualification is treated at par with any grade 10 qualification issued by CBSE, the CISCE, or any Indian state board. Cambridge students are also eligible to appear for competitive exams such as JEE, NEET, UPSC, NDA, CLAT, etc. We also offer a March exam series exclusive to India, which ensures that students get their results by mid-May and they are absolutely in time to appear for these competitive entrance exams and also meet Indian university application deadlines. Cambridge students over the years have gone to IITs, AIIMS, other top engineering and medical colleges. They've also gone to universities such as Delhi University, including top colleges like St. Stephen's, Hindu, SRCC, LSR, etc., as well as other universities such as Mumbai University, Calcutta University, Jadavpur University, and top private universities such as Ashoka University and OP Jindal Global University.